Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we will learn how to make an automated colorful night lamp. So let us begin. So for this we need one Arduino Uno, one small breadboard, one RGB LED, 4 resistors, one photoresistor sensor, one ultrasonic distance sensor and a few connecting wires. Now let us see how to make the circuit. So first of all, we will connect this RGB LED. So it has total 4 terminals. We will connect this cathode terminal of it to this GND pin of this Arduino. After it, we will connect these red, blue and green of the terminals through this resistor to this 11, 12 and 13 number pin of the Arduino respectively. Now let us see how to connect this photoresistor sensor. So first of all, we will connect the first terminal of it to this 5V pin of this Arduino. After it, we will connect the second terminal of it to this A0 pin of this Arduino at the analog side. And we will connect the same terminal of it through this resistor to this GND pin of this Arduino. Now let us see how to connect this ultrasonic distance sensor. So it has total 3 pins. First is the ground pin that we will be connecting to this GND pin of this Arduino. After it, we will connect the power pin of it to this 5V pin of this Arduino. And we will connect the signal pin of it to this A1 pin of this Arduino at the analog side. And this way our circuit is ready. Now let us see how the code is there. So this is our code. First of all, we have configured the pin 11, 12, 13 for the output purpose and A1 and A0 pin for the input purpose using this in this void setup function. Now in void loop function, what we are doing is, first of all, we have initialized a variable named as status in which we are storing the value of this A0 pin's input, that is the void resistor sensor, photoresistor sensor. So it will store the value that whether it is a day or night. And this presence integer variable is storing the value of this ultrasonic distance sensor. Now we are using this if statement. If the status is less than 500 and the presence is less than 100. Presence is less than 100 means there is someone near inside the room, and status is less than 500 means someone, means the time is night time, not the date. So in this way, the LEDs will glow. The LEDs, this RGB LEDs color varies from 0 to 255. So according to their color codes, this code is written. And for 1 second each will glow. And at last, if this is not the case, means there is no one inside the room, or the time is not the night time, and none of them will glow. So this is all about our code. Now let us see how actually it will work. So for it, I'm clicking in the start simulation. As you can see over here, there is someone inside the room, means the presence is there and the time is a night time, and hence this LED is glowing. It is showing as just like a night lamp. Now let us see in the either way. If there is the daytime and still there is someone inside the room, it will not glow because it is the daytime and the value is more than 500. So in this way it will work. Thank you.